Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete all photos on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on iPhone photos. Okay, and delete all photos. Just tap on select and click on select and just tick mark all photo. Just tap and swipe left and up, click all photos and just tap on delete option and click to delete this option. Just tap to delete all photos on iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.